Manuela. Thank you for tuning into WeKOTR TV. If you haven't done so already, follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter page at WeKOTR. And if you haven't done so already, visit us on our website, wekotr.com. We have a lot of new information on there. And guess what, guys? We just launched our new blog. So make sure you check it out because we're going to have everything on there from workshops, events, especially events that we're going to be at as KOTR. So I'm not going to ruin the surprise, so make sure you guys tune in to check it out. Once again, my name is Manuela, and I want to thank you guys for tuning into WeKOTR TV.